Alright, so I'm glad to be back. We're back in action. I finally got the adapter for the DJI Action 4. Now we're back in playing. Because after you saw on my last vid, GoPro, I'm done with. Oh! I'm done with that crap. What are you doing, sir? Yes, I'm done with GoPro. We are DJI only. Nice. For now. Unless they do something to like piss me off. Wow. Because I'm not loyal to like one brand, so. You know, in the last vid, I showed a whole bunch of settings that I'm now using, and now we have example with the actual mic. Because now I have the mic adapter, which I will show right here, and it's actually pretty dope. I've been hearing good things about it, so that's why I went ahead and like went along with it, taking a nice little ride. It's been kind of like crap for the past few like days. After my GoPro decided to like take a crap, we did install the frame sliders on, and we also have the rear fender delete. Boy. Oh shit! Because it looks sweet. It looks real sweet, and I just stalled. It happens because I was trying to think of too many things at once. Sometimes you just gotta just brush that stuff off and just keep going. With the bike, looks pretty damn good now. It doesn't look stock like it did before, because man. And I also need to tell y'all like about the other stuff that I got. And as you can see now, I had got some like new like gloves, and I'm kind of like testing, and it actually feels pretty good. Like I have more control with these gloves than my last gloves. They still have some protection, not as much as like my last gloves, but it's still not bad. That feels good. God damn it. Man, it's good to be back. Holy. Sorry. I get a little too excited when I ride this damn bike. Such a fun experience. It's just to just ride. It's to ride and get outside and like I said before, smell like fresh air. That's a nice bump. Not gonna hit you this time, you crap. Some new gloves, as you see. I also got me a stand so I can clean my chain and all that crap. I have not cleaned my chain yet, but I will do a video on that. And I went with the pit bull stand because, you know, pit bull is like the best of the best. And my whole thought process behind that was to just, I don't want to have to buy a cheap one and then have to buy another one when that breaks. Just buy one good thing one time, so you won't have to keep buying it over and over and over. So I went with the pit bull stand. Pretty much nothing else has changed as far as like my setup goes, other than the DJI that I have now, which I am fucking loving. This thing is fucking amazing compared to the GoPro. Like, it actually fucking works. That's the whole point. But man, it's a nice day. It's not as clear as I want it to be, but still a pretty nice day. Yeah, baby. Tighten up your blinker this time, you noob. Plans for the bike as far as like cosmetic things go, I may or may not get like a front windscreen. I'm not too sure yet about that, because like this is mostly gonna be what I'm gonna be doing, and like the only time I'm gonna drive on the highway is like if I'm going on like a group ride or anything like that. But as far as like little things, like the bike for me is done, because I don't want to do anything like crazy. Oh, there's one thing I do want to potentially in the future upgrade the exhaust, because man, I had kind of went down a little rabbit hole of YouTube, which is not hard to do, and I saw like some like different type of exhaust styles for this bike, and oh my goodness, they look so damn sweet, like hot tamales. So I'm gonna look into that. But on this bike, you can't put just a slip-on. You need like the full exhaust build. Kawasaki knew what they were doing, because if I just could have fit a slip-on, then I would have went that route, but I can't, so it's all good. The bike has been performing flawlessly. We just hit 340 miles, and this bike is, I'm having fun, y'all. This is like freaking fun. The most fun I've ever had in a long time, because bikes, they bring you so much joy if you ride them responsibly. Don't be like a little speed, well, you can speed, but do it responsibly on the track only. But that's pretty much like the main plan I want to do for this bike, because like I said in like I think my 2024 first ride, this is my first bike, so I don't want to do anything too wild, because there's really no need to, because it's my first. I want to treat it like, well, not like a baby, but I want to like not like my first time up. which I potentially will, as you see. But as far as that stall goes, like shit like that is just gonna just happen because that's just the like nature of. But the moral of the story from that, just learn from your mistakes. Woo, nice little bump and just keep going, because that's what life is all about. Like life is like I say, like, well, I haven't said this before, but life is always a learning process. I'm not trying to be like the damn know-it-all, because each day I get on this bike, I learn something new every time, every freaking time. It is a little cold, but yeah, that's pretty much all of like the cosmetic stuff that I want to do, like the windscreen, the exhaust, and I may or may not change these rear view mirrors or my side mirrors. I don't know what, yeah, because I really don't like them per se, and I don't like how far they like stick out. I'm gonna change those and see like what they have. Yeah, why are you shaking so much, huh? Shaking like a certified stripper. Stop. And yes, where I'm at in the deep south, we are having Mardi Gras, so there's a whole bunch of stuff going on, and like that's where I'm head to now, to go chill out with some family and friends. Today was like the only day of the weekend that I was able to ride, because every other day looked like straight crap. So there's that. So around this time it likes to rain a lot, so, and I'm not trying to ride in the rain anytime soon, because I don't have time for that. Even though this bike has traction control, hopefully I'll never use it. Oh, it feels good to be on a bike and to be able to talk to you guys once again, because it's such a therapeutic feeling to ride on this like bike, especially after a long work week. Oh man, it feels nice. It's like a escape from reality, but you also got to be like on your P's and Q's. You don't want to get hurt, so there's that. Dun, 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 doo -doo -doo -doo. Here comes the sun. Oh yeah. Right, intersection that I hate, because like this is like a fast little part, so you got to be very careful. I'm gonna let these trucks go. I do not want to get hit. I'll be damned. Well, come on, hurry. Well, all right, we're clear on this side for now. Come on now, come on. There we go. Come on. Oh, poor soul. That sucks. That possum got murdered. Damn. Woo! Yeah, baby. I feel it. Oh, I love it. I'm sorry, I just got the little zoomies. It just feels good some damn times. Oh, the good thing is it's a cop. It's 3 of them. God damn. Where y'all going? I don't know. Good thing they didn't catch me though, because I was going like 70. Oh. Nice. Here to see what's going on. I may eat some good food too. That's always a plus. I love that. Some good food for the soul. Yes, I do have a lot of plans now that I have my setup and stuff intact. We'll go on a night ride. I don't know when. And as we grow, I am gonna try to like get a deal with this dealership to like test out new bikes, because that will be fun. That will be real fun. Oh, the sun is out. Yeah, baby. Watch out for folks. Make this light. So many bumps. God damn. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I have for like this one. And I'll catch y'all later in the next one. Peace.